Camping out at 5 a.m. for a Chanel bag? Flexing luxury items on Instagram? I wish I lived like that, you think? If so, you're in a capitalist trap. Today, I shatter the rich illusion. Why do the poor obsess over logos while billionaires wear $30 trillion shirts? I'll reveal the reason and how real rich people spend money. Left: Mark Zuckerberg, a billionaire in a gray t-shirt. Right: a rapper covered in gold. Who is richer? The left. Psychology calls this status signaling. Feeling poor inside makes you scream, "I have money." Through logos. Real rich people don't need to prove anything. To them, logos are annoying tags. You buy a $3,000 bag. Suddenly, no matching clothes. You buy a coat, then shoes. This is the Diderot effect. One purchase triggers a chain reaction, emptying your account. Luxury brands use this to rob you. Money spent to look rich makes the Louis Vuitton CEO richer, but you poorer. The rich pursue stealth wealth. Sam Walton drove an old truck. Warren Buffett lives in a 1958 house. Money isn't for showing off, it's to buy time and freedom. Instead of a $3,000 coat, they buy 30 stocks. Coats become rags, stocks become assets paying dividends. Don't envy a friend with a $100,000 Mercedes. He gained a $100,000 debt, not an asset. He works overtime to pay bills. Flashy outside, rotting inside. This is modern slavery. Obsessing over looking rich stops you from becoming rich. Show-off culture leads to ruin. No coffee? No. The key is control. Stop spending to impress. Invest that daily $10 in an S&P 500 ETF. That's $3,600 a year. In 30 years with compound interest, it becomes hundreds of thousands. One less luxury bag solves your retirement. This is the opportunity cost. Open your closet. Throw away unused clothes. A rich life is filled with experiences, knowledge, and peace, not things. Discard the shell of showing off. Real substance will pile up in your bank account. Empty your things. Fill your wallet. Rich is a verb. Don't look rich, act rich. Wear logo-free clothes and buy freedom. In 10 years, while flashy friends struggle with debt, you will smile with financial freedom. I hope this changes your habits. Please subscribe. Next time, how I saved $100,000 in a year by quitting luxury.